Welcome to the Super Clean Duramix 8000 maintenance video, voted the #1 steam and cold water mixing station in the world. Routine preventative maintenance for your mixing station can be performed directly on the wall in less than 15 minutes with a few simple tools and just one $2.50 replacement gasket. Let's get started. Ensure that both globe valves and isolation valves, if applicable, for steam and water are completely closed prior to beginning maintenance procedures. Once these valves are shut and the mixing station has cooled, we can begin maintenance. You will need ratchets, a 10mm socket and a 2-inch socket. Alternatively, a large adjustable wrench can be used in place of the ratchets and sockets. You will also need steel wool or a metal wire brush, a towel, and a flathead screwdriver. The only replacement part needed is the Dura 8 18 PTFE gasket. To begin maintenance, remove the nut with a 10mm socket wrench. Remove the small metal temperature indicator plate. Then gently wiggle the temperature hand wheel off by hand. Remove the water chamber cover plate with a 2-inch socket wrench. Alternatively, if you are using an adjustable wrench, you can remove the entire water chamber cover plate without removing the nut, hand wheel, or temperature indicator plate first. The stainless steel piston should easily slide out. Use steel wool or a wire brush to thoroughly clean the piston and internal piston contact wall from any calcium deposits or debris. Wipe the piston and internal piston wall down with a towel to remove any remaining debris and ensure that both are clean. Use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry off the water chamber covered Teflon gasket and replace it with a new one. 2 replacement gaskets are included with your mixing station. Reinsert the steel piston and push it in to make sure it moves in and out freely. Put the water chamber cover plate back and tighten it with a 2-inch socket wrench. Put the hand wheel and temperature indicator plate back in place. Put the nut back in place and tighten it with a 10mm socket wrench. Alternatively, if you are using a large adjustable wrench, put the water chamber cover plate back and tighten. Your Duramix 8000 mixing station is now clean and ready to be used again. A few basic tools and 15 minutes of time are all you need to keep super clean mixing stations working at their highest level with this preventative maintenance routine. Maintenance for competitive steam and cold water mixing stations requires time-consuming removal from the wall and often requires purchasing hundreds of dollars of replacement parts and tools. Super Clean's Duramix 8000 is trusted by thousands of factories around the world to keep their businesses up and running without costly maintenance. We hope you enjoyed this on-the-wall preventative maintenance video and invite you to check out Super Clean's YouTube channel for more informational and instructional videos.